Are you looking for the best Chinese drones brands? In this video we will look at some of the best Chinese drones brands on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Xiaomi Mijia V198MAX Drone. Xiaomi Mijia V198MAX Drone 8K Professional FPV Brushless Laser Obstacle Avoidance Aerial Optical Foldable Quadcopter Mini 4K Drone inspires your heart to soar and see the world from breathtaking heights. Every moment becomes unforgettable when you capture life with the stunning Xiaomi Mijia V198MAX Drone 8K Professional FPV Brushless Laser Obstacle Avoidance Aerial Optical Foldable Quadcopter Mini 4K Drone camera that records ultra-clear 8000 resolution video and lets you relive memories like silk in motion. This powerful aerial companion makes you feel connected to every scene as if you were part of it, not just watching it. You will experience flight that feels safe and confident with intelligent laser obstacle avoidance guiding every journey, so even tricky routes seem effortless and full of discovery. When this drone glides above breathtaking landscapes or timeless celebrations, you feel a rush of joy knowing it is designed to keep you safe and steady while your heart beats for beautiful moments. Imagine returning home with treasure troves of cinematic footage that touch your soul and spark admiration from friends and family, with every view rich and alive. Your creativity will grow wings when you explore dynamic flight paths, intuitive follow modes, and real-time first-person view transmission that brings every frame straight to your hands. It is not just technology, it is a gateway to your dreams of capturing awe-inspiring aerial images and unforgettable stories that stay with you forever. Every flight feels like a new adventure that you eagerly anticipate, pushing you to create more, explore more, and feel more with the Xiaomi Mijia V198MAX Drone 8K Professional FPV Brushless Laser Obstacle Avoidance Aerial Optical Foldable Quadcopter Mini 4K Drone. Number 2. Xiaomi A1R 3S GPS Drone. Feel your heart race with every flight when the Xiaomi A1R 3S GPS Drone 8K Professional FPV Brushless Laser Obstacle Avoidance Aerial Optical Foldable Quadcopter Mini 4K Drone lifts you above familiar places and turns them into breathtaking scenes. This aerial companion brings your favorite moments to life in ultra-clear 8000 video and captures memories that make your soul soar like the birds at sunset. Its intelligent laser sensing helps you glide over landscapes and past obstacles with ease, giving you peace of mind and confidence as you explore new heights together. Your family gatherings, travel escapes, and special celebrations will feel deeper and richer when seen from above through smooth, vibrant footage that makes every frame feel alive. The first-person view connection brings you closer to what matters most, as if you were part of the scene itself, not just watching it from far away. With this drone in your hands, every trip becomes a story worth telling and a memory that stays with you like a warm embrace on a cool night. Imagine surprising your loved ones with cinematic clips that reflect the joy in your heart and the beauty that you felt. Adventure feels more real and more exciting when you capture it without struggle, and every journey becomes unforgettable with responsive control that moves with your intention and inspires creative freedom. Let every flight remind you why you wanted to explore it all, stirring up emotion, inspiration, and a desire to discover more of this world's beauty with the Xiaomi A1R 3S GPS Drone 8K Professional FPV Brushless Laser Obstacle Avoidance Aerial Optical Foldable Quadcopter Mini 4K Drone by your side. Number 3. L200 PRO MAX Drone. L200 PRO MAX Brushless Motor 2-Axis Gimbal 4K Professional GPS Drone 360-degree Obstacle Avoidance 5G Wi-Fi FPV Quadcopter Drone RC Toys invites you to discover places you have only dreamed about seeing. Holding this L200 PRO MAX Brushless Motor 2-Axis Gimbal 4K Professional GPS Drone 360-degree Obstacle Avoidance 5G Wi-Fi FPV Quadcopter Drone RC Toys feels like holding a key to thousands of irreplaceable moments that will stay in your heart forever. When you lift it into the air, the world below you flows like a living painting full of emotion and beauty that makes every heartbeat stronger and every breath feel lighter. With it in your hands, the sky becomes a canvas where your memories take shape and tell stories no camera on the ground ever could. Beautiful family gatherings on bright afternoons become films that make everyone smile long after the sun sets. Quiet hikes through lush forests turn into colorful reflections of time spent with people you love most. Shared laughter at hidden beaches glows like warm light in every recorded frame. This L200 PRO MAX Brushless Motor 2-Axis Gimbal 4K Professional GPS Drone 360-degree Obstacle Avoidance 5G Wi-Fi FPV Quadcopter Drone RC Toys opens doors to creativity you may not have known was inside you and pushes you to imagine new ways to see familiar places. Every moment you capture with this aerial companion feels deeply personal and precious. Your heart will fill with pride when friends and family gather around your videos and gasp at the visuals you brought back from high above. Life becomes richer and more vibrant when you see it from above and carry those feelings with you forever. This is the emotion of discovery rising with every flight.